So I've been waiting to try this guitar for quite a while. This is the new Donner DST-80 and a great beginner's guitar from what I heard about it. So let's open this up, let's unbox this and see what we get here. The packaging from Donner is always quite nice. You know, these sturdy boxes. Okay, let's see what we get here. Donner guitar in a nice carrying sleeve. Nothing too much, not that padded, but still enough to keep it safe when you're like carrying this around, right? And it's nice that you get something like this at this price range, I think. And then the Donner guitar, it's in there all the way, nicely packaged. Okay, so we're up for the big reveal here. Donner, what have you got for us? Okay, look at that. So the color is nice. It's painted on there, of course, the burst. Then you got the string saver right on there. So let's remove that. And I'll show you what it looks like up close. Yeah, look at that. It's got this nice bursty color. And this is where you can see that's a little cheaper, right? So it has like this nice grainy texture. I really dig it. It gives it a little bit of a more authentic, older looking feel. But then you can clearly see that this burst is more painted on there. So the transition isn't that great between the burst and the side. But like that's okay. I mean, for this price, it's a great looking guitar. You got your pickups right here, the Donner pickups, and then even a tremolo bridge. And here is the headstock, very much Telecaster, just a little bit of a sharper edge right here, which I think looks nice as well. Donner Standard Series. And then Donner established 2012 and certified in China. So this is a Chinese company, of course. Okay, so pretty nice. And then of course we need to tune this. And then let's test it out a little bit. Okay, so in my package I also get, a little tuner. The DT-04 from Donner. As you can see, so we can easily tune this. Then we have the tremolo peg right there, or the vibrato. Oh, we even get a capo right in our case, and then a couple of these hex wrenches. Then a Donner cable and a Donner guitar strap. So it's quite nice. And even a couple of picks. So everything in here you need to start playing guitar, right? And I really like the Donner brand. I have the Donner standard bass right here, and it's simple, right? They're simple guitars, but they function very well. So I'm really digging that Donner bass. I'm primarily a guitar player, so having just a bass to play some riffs when I'm recording, that sort of thing. Not that often, or just practice slapping because I just like that. So that's why I have like a cheaper Donner bass there. Then a little amp right in the package, and how they managed to fit this in a normal size guitar like box when they ship it out, it amazes me so much. So the Donner amplifier here with a little battery as well. And let's open this up. So you have the battery compartment here, so you can use it with battery, but you can also use this with an AC plug. So both ways you can use this. And this is the GA Mini 2 5-watt amplifier. Okay, so I've got my battery in the compartment. This immediately turns on. You have an on-off and a drive. So we're going to test that, and then just tone and volume here. And an aux out, so you can listen to this on your headphones. Okay, so let's screw this in. A little looser, so you can nicely grab this. And then there's even a card on there with all of the major chords. So you really have everything you need to start playing. Okay, so now that I've tuned that, let's start working this little thing. So it can get quite loud, but it also has just a little bit of distortion when you turn it all the way up. So it's not clean anymore when you do that. So it's not really clean. So that's my only gripe with this little amp here. You can play this quite loud. Of course, you don't have any effect. If you're practicing, then having a little bit of reverb on there. And there are a lot of small amps out there that you can buy that have built-in reverb. Or even perhaps a little bit delay, a little bit effect pedal that you can buy. Then it immediately starts sounding a little bit better, especially if you like play solos. So don't expect it to sound really good right out of the box. So of course, this is your first guitar, your beginner guitar, then you of course will need to do some practicing, but the sound of it is okay-ish. I think the guitar sounds a lot better than the amp does. So having a little bit of an amp in the box, you have everything you need. I think that's cool, but this should be the first thing you upgrade when like you're playing a little bit more and want to sound a little bit better. I think the action of the neck and the action is how hard it is to press it. I think the action out of the box is pretty nice. So it does sound pretty good right out of the box. And that means that I can do some hammer-ons quite easily. So I don't even pluck this one, right? So turning down the volume of the guitar helps a lot with the distortion of the amp. Of course, then it's a little bit softer still, but you can more easily turn the amp volume up and then the guitar volume down, so it doesn't distort as much. So it's more like the input going into the amp than the amp output, I think, having that distortion. So it almost always sounds better with this amp, turning the volume down a little. Of course, this also means that the volume knob of the guitar and the output volume really impacts your playing, and I think that's a nice thing to say from a guitar like this. The tremolo bridge is a bit stiff. And the pickups, oh, have a nice different sound to them. This is nice, and a nice open sound, clear sound. And then I have the combination of these two pickups. You get a nice plucky sound. Then the middle pickup. These two pickups, you can play. Okay, so overall for a beginner guitar, I think it is nice. The amp, I don't like it that much. It's not my favorite thing in the world. If you really want to play it a little bit louder, and this is more of like a practice amp, right? You can't take this with you on stage, but it does work with a battery. It works with a battery pretty well, but the input going into it affects the sound really too much for me. So it's great to start practicing. Just keep the volume down a little bit, and then you can play those clean sounds. Let's try the drive as well. That's really too mushy for me. Yeah, it sounds a little bit too muddy for me to drive, so it's nice to have that option, but I think playing it clean with the volume just a little bit down works a lot better here. So I like the guitar for the price. I think it's great. I think perhaps they could have made it a little bit cheaper and then without the amp, in my opinion, but still a very nice practice set as a beginner here, and then you can always buy some effects and upgrade your set as you go along. So Donner, I like the brand. They do some great stuff there, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.